Have you ever wondered how some seniors keep their bathrooms spotless without ever scrubbing or bending down? Yet the secret isn't inexpensive cleaners or harsh chemicals. It's in having 5 simple things that quietly do the hard work for you. If you've ever struggled to clean your bathroom as you've gotten older, you're not alone. Many seniors find it exhausting to bend over the tub, reach behind the toilet, or scrub the shower walls. It's not just tiring, it can actually be dangerous. Slippery floors, heavy buckets, and harsh fumes make cleaning one of the most dreaded chores in old age. But here's the good news. With the right setup, your bathroom can stay fresh and clean almost effortlessly. In today's video, we'll uncover the 5 unexpected things that can keep your bathroom sparkling with almost no effort. You'll learn what works quietly in the background, how to make cleanliness automatic, and how to create a space that feels fresh every single day without lifting a finger. If you've ever wished you could throw away your scrub brush for good, stay with me. What you're about to discover could completely change the way you think about cleaning. This is not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Now, let's begin.
Number 1. The invisible shield that keeps grime away. The first secret to a clean bathroom without constant scrubbing is having what I call an invisible shield. This isn't magic, it's simply using a water-repellent spray on your shower glass, tiles, and sink surfaces. Most seniors don't realize how much buildup happens because of water that sticks. When water droplets stay on the surface, they trap soap scum, dust, and bacteria. Over time, it creates that cloudy film that's so hard to remove. But when you spray a water-repellent coating, it changes everything. Water no longer clings to the surface, it slides right off, taking dirt and residue with it. You can think of it as giving your bathroom armor. It works quietly every time you turn on the shower, and the best part? It can last for weeks at a time. I once helped an 82-year-old neighbor, Martha, who said she was tired of spending an hour a week cleaning her shower doors. She tried this simple trick, just spraying a repellent after one deep cleaning, and 2 months later, her glass was still clear. She told me, "I used to think clean meant scrubbing. Now I know it means preventing." That's the shift every senior needs to make. Prevention is the real secret to effort-free cleanliness. When you stop dirt before it starts, your bathroom maintains itself. This one habit saves your energy, protects your back, and keeps your space looking new. You don't have to chase the mess, just make it impossible for grime to stick in the first place. So before you even think about buying new brushes or cleaners, start with a shield. It's invisible, silent, and powerful, like having a cleaning assistant you never have to pay.
Number 2. The self-cleaning helper that works while you sleep. The second thing every senior should have is something so simple yet so powerful it cleans your toilet for you without you ever lifting the lid. I'm talking about automatic toilet cleaning tablets or dispensers that release a small amount of cleaner every time you flush. It's like hiring a tiny janitor who works around the clock, keeping your toilet bowl fresh even while you sleep. For years, many older adults have dreaded toilet cleaning. It's the hardest to reach, the most unpleasant, and often the most physically demanding part of bathroom maintenance. But what most people don't realize is that technology has already solved this problem. Modern self-cleaning systems don't just make your bathroom smell nice, they break down bacteria, calcium buildup, and lime scale before they can even form. Take George, a 78-year-old retired carpenter I know. He used to spend half an hour every weekend scrubbing with a toilet brush until his hands were sore. Then one day, his daughter installed a small dispenser that clips onto the side of the toilet. Within a week, he noticed something incredible. No stains, no odor, no scrubbing. He said it felt like a small miracle in a plastic clip. This small change saves not only effort, but also dignity. Many seniors struggle with bending, balance, and coordination while cleaning, which increases the risk of falls. With an automatic cleaner, you can let go of that worry. It's hands-free, safe, and steady. And because it works every time you flush, it's always doing a little bit of cleaning for you day after day without complaint. If you've ever felt embarrassed by bathroom odors or water stains, this tiny helper can make your bathroom feel new again. The secret is consistency, letting small, steady action replace big, exhausting effort. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 2 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now let's move forward. Number 3, the air guardian that fights moisture and mold. Moisture is the true enemy of every bathroom, especially for seniors who use hot showers or take long baths to soothe their muscles. The steam rises, the air becomes heavy, and before you know it, mold begins to grow silently behind tiles, on ceilings, and even around faucets. You might not notice it at first, but it's there, spreading little by little. The real trick to never cleaning your bathroom again is stopping mold before it even starts. And that's where a small but mighty tool comes in, a humidity control device or dehumidifier. It doesn't need to be fancy or expensive. Even a compact unit or a simple plug-in moisture absorber can make a world of difference. What it does is pull the extra humidity out of the air, so mold and bacteria don't have a chance to grow. It's like having a quiet protector working for you 24 hours a day. Let me tell you about Carol, 76, who lives in a small apartment with no window in her bathroom. For years, she fought stubborn black mold around her shower tiles. She used bleach, vinegar, and sprays, but the mold always came back. Then she got a small dehumidifier about the size of a cereal box. Within 2 weeks, she noticed something remarkable. No new mold spots, no musty smell, and the air even felt lighter. She laughed and said, "I haven't cleaned in 2 weeks, and it's still cleaner than ever." Moisture is sneaky, and it's easy to underestimate. You might think wiping down the walls or cracking the door is enough, but trapped humidity lingers long after you leave. Over time, that's what turns into the sticky film on mirrors and that faint mildew odor that never quite goes away. But with the right humidity control, your bathroom becomes a self-sustaining clean space. No scrubbing, no mold, no mess. And here's something even more important. Controlling humidity doesn't just protect your bathroom, it protects your health. Seniors with breathing issues, allergies, or weaker immune systems often suffer more when mold spores float through the air. A simple moisture controller can quietly safeguard both your bathroom and your well-being. So before you reach for harsh cleaners, reach for something smarter. Let the air do the cleaning for you. Clean air means a clean home and a cleaner, easier life. Number 4, the shower trick that cleans itself. One of the most frustrating places to clean in the bathroom is the shower area. Soap scum, shampoo residue, and calcium buildup on the tiles make everything dull. For many seniors, cleaning the shower means bending, stretching, and scrubbing on slippery surfaces, a dangerous combination. But here's a simple, genius trick that makes your shower clean itself: a daily shower spray. This spray is not a heavy-duty cleaner. It's a light mist you use after each shower. You just spray the walls, the glass, and even the faucet area before you walk out. That's it. The ingredients break down soap residue and stop grime from forming. No wiping, no rinsing, no bending. Just spray and walk away. My friend Linda, 79, started using this after her doctor warned her about the risk of falling while cleaning. She told me she sprays her shower right after each use. A month later, her tiles were still gleaming white. She smiled and said, "I used to think cleanliness was a chore. Now it's just a habit." This method works because it uses time as your partner. The spray works while the shower is still warm and damp, so it dissolves residue before it hardens. Think of it as brushing your teeth for your bathroom. It's simple maintenance that prevents big problems later. Many seniors hesitate to try new products, but this one is about independence. When you don't have to scrub your shower, you don't need to depend on others. You save your strength for the things you actually enjoy doing. And there's another benefit most people don't think about. Your bathroom smells fresher all day because residue and bacteria never get the chance to build up. You wake up to a cleaner, more inviting space every morning. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 4 below to let me know you're here.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward.
Number 5. The magic of microfiber and minimal effort. The last secret to an always clean bathroom isn't a gadget or a spray. It's the material you use. Microfiber cloths might seem simple, but they're one of the most powerful tools for seniors who want to stop scrubbing forever. Unlike paper towels or old rags, microfiber grabs dirt, absorbs moisture, and traps dust without any chemicals. One quick wipe removes what others leave behind, and it dries surfaces so fast that mold and bacteria never get a chance to grow. Here's why this matters. Bathrooms are naturally humid, and regular towels only push moisture around, but microfiber works differently. It locks it in. With one cloth, you can dry your mirror, wipe the sink, and even shine your faucets. You're not cleaning harder, you're just cleaning smarter. Eleanor, an 84-year-old widow I once visited, showed me how she keeps her bathroom clean in less than 5 minutes a week. She keeps one dry microfiber cloth hanging by her sink. After she brushes her teeth or washes her hands, she gives the counter and faucet a quick wipe. "It's so easy," she said. "I don't even think of it as cleaning, it's just part of my routine." Her bathroom looked like it had been professionally cleaned, and yet she hadn't used a single cleaning product. Microfiber is gentle on aging hands, safe for all surfaces, and easy to wash. You can use the same cloth for months, and it'll still work as if it's new. The key is to make it visible. Hang one near the sink, one by the shower, and one by the toilet. When cleaning tools are within reach, cleanliness becomes automatic. For seniors, the real goal isn't perfection, it's ease. You deserve a home that feels fresh without feeling like work. With microfiber, you can eliminate the toughest part of cleaning, the scrubbing, bending, and reaching, and replace it with light, effortless gestures. Small habits make the biggest difference. One cloth, one wipe, one small action at a time, and suddenly your bathroom stays as spotless as the day you cleaned it. Because true cleanliness isn't about hard work, it's about smart work. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 6 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Final thoughts. Keeping your bathroom clean shouldn't feel like a battle, especially as you get older. It's not about working harder, it's about setting up your space so it takes care of itself. With these 5 simple things, you're not just cleaning your bathroom, you're creating freedom. You're saying goodbye to back pain, to endless scrubbing, and to the frustration of chasing dirt that always seems to come back. When you make small changes, something powerful happens. Your home becomes lighter, your body feels safer, and your mind feels calmer. Each of these habits, using repellents, self-cleaning tools, air control, automatic sprays, and microfiber, works together like a quiet team, making your daily life smoother and more comfortable. Many seniors underestimate how much their environment affects their mood, but when your bathroom stays clean, it suddenly changes how you start your day. You feel organized, refreshed, and proud. That sense of order spills over into every other part of life. You move slower, smile more, and even sleep better because you're not carrying small worries anymore. Cleanliness is not about perfection, it's about peace. It's about creating a space that supports you instead of draining you. And if you can achieve that without lifting a mop or scrubbing your knees, you've truly mastered the art of living smart in your later years. So, as you look around your home today, ask yourself, what can I simplify? Because the easier life feels, the more time you have for what truly matters, your health, your joy, and the people you love. Thank you for joining us today. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to use it in your life. Your thoughts are important to us, so don't hesitate to share them. Reading your comments gives us great motivation and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share.
Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.